Hello everybody, welcome back to an edition of the TeSys Tera training. I'm your host, Leandro Mar, and in this video what we're going to see is how we can connect our PC to the TeSys Tera using the USB cable. Okay, so let's go to the presentation first. So in order to connect to the TeSys Tera, what we need is this extension cable, okay, that basically has a RJ45 on one side and the other one the USB-A. Okay, this is the reference, which is the same that we use to program the drives or the TeSys T. Then what we need is on the PC to have some movie already installed and the DTM for the TeSys Tera. Then we have two ways to connect to the TeSys Tera using this cable. So we have the possibility to plug into the HDMI port, okay, using the RJ45, or if we have the display, we can remove the label in the bottom right, and then we should be able to see RJ45 port. In there we should be able to put the RJ45 cable. Okay, so once we get the cable, it is important that we identify the port that is assigned to this one. So if we open the device manager, here, okay, you can see in the device manager I have the cable already assigned for the COM port 11. Now remember that number because we need it. So once you get that, we need to open SOMUB. And first we just need to check if the DTM is already installed. So if we scroll down and see, okay, I got the TeSys Tera there, TeSys Tera, whatever you want to call it. So now that we have that one there, we should be able to edit connection, go to this part, the advanced settings. Here we just need to select the COM port that we're going to use, which is going to be the 11. Then we just need to set this up. So we have a few default parameters. You can see address 1, baud rate 19200, and parity event. Okay, so we need to match this into that part of the configuration so our PC can scan the TeSys Tera. As you can see here, this is how it looks like. I got the same. Then what we need is to specify it, which is going to be the address. So you can use the multi-point and use single, and it has the address 1. So now we just need to do okay. We just need to do a scan, and the device should be there. Okay, you can see scan multi-point. Okay, after the scan, the device should be there available, and we can do double click on the figure of the device, or we just select the device that we want to communicate to, because you can scan multiple devices and then you have to select which one you want. Okay, and then this pop-up will show up that you need to read it, okay, and accept it if you want to continue, of course. So click it and connect. You should get this message. Read it. Okay, and then the SOMUB will upload the actual configuration of the TeSys Tera. Just going to show you I have the connection. That's all. So it's loading, and there we go. I have this configuration on my side. Okay, so this is how you can connect using your PC to the TeSys Tera using the USB cable. Okay, so as you can see, it's very easy and very straightforward. Okay, remember you can use the front port, the one that says HDMI, and you can use the front port on the display, on the remote display for TeSys Tera. So thank you very much for watching this video, and I see you on the next one.